On the 5th of May 2018, Trevor Stockton, the railway's recently retired general manager, names the new locomotive. Driver Will Sands poses for photographers with his new charge before driving Whillan Beck with a train full of VIPs and invited guests on the inaugural run. The new loco is owned by the Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway Preservation Society, who purchased and paid for all of the costs of rebuilding and preparing it for service on the railway. This part of the story is told in GWP's previous R&ER 2017 DVD of the railway, also available in the railway's shops. With speeches and all formalities over, passengers can now enjoy a run up the line on a perfect spring day. Steaming well on the final climb in Beckford Wood before crossing Whillan Beck itself and arriving at Dalegarth Station at the end of the 7-mile line. The following day, Trevor Stockton takes out trainee driver Sam Wake with Northern Rock, the first steam train of the day. The steam in the front comes from the loco's drain cocks that have been opened to expel any condensed water that could cause damage to the mechanism. The train goes under the A595 Muncaster Mill Road bridge. The mill is now a private home and there are no passengers at the station, so the train gets a clear run at the climb ahead into Mill Wood. The powerful loco makes light work of the long climb in Mill Wood. Whiteside Halt is a request stop. Will slows to 5 miles an hour for the points at Miteside, the first of the 3 passing loops. Whillan Beck has a clear run through the loop, as the down train will be passed further up the railway. Will blows the whistle for the level crossing at Beckfoot Halt. Steaming well, Whillan Beck tackles the climb in Beckfoot Wood with enthusiasm.